Of course, a lot depends on us and how we respond to the Omicron threat, whether we let our guard down or ensure that we follow basic protocol of masking up and maintaining social distancing. But of course, state governments are also ensuring that they're prepared for any eventuality. In our next report, we tell you exactly what governments are doing to ensure that they're fully prepared.
As cases of Omicron steadily climb in India, states have been upping their guard, fearing a possible third wave. Maharashtra, leading in number of Omicron cases, has tightened restrictions on mass gatherings.
मुंबई पुलिस ने ये सख्त हिदायत दी है मुंबई वासियों को कि हर कीमत पर कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर का पालन करना है। अब धारा 144 लगाई गई है। इसका सीधा मतलब ये है कि क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशंस पर और न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशंस पर मुंबई पुलिस की खासी पैनी नजर रहेगी।
Delhi, with fresh spike of Omicron, is also on vigil.
After Maharashtra, it is Delhi which is witnessing highest number of Omicron cases so far. It is also a matter of concern because according to the health experts, the COVID-19's Omicron variant has much higher transmission rate compared to the other variants.
While in Karnataka, screening of international passengers, especially those from high-risk nations, has been tightened.
Now, with the Omicron variant of COVID-19 a clear and present danger, authorities at the Kempegowda International Airport are making sure that two things happen very quickly. All international passengers have to undergo an RT-PCR test, and while they do that, the entire process is hassle-free.
Kerala, still struggling with a steady stream of COVID cases, now faces the double whammy of biggest Omicron threat. It has rushed to increase genome sequencing capacity.
The first case of Omicron confirmation has now brought more attention to the new variant, its detection and the process involved. So the test to confirm if the positive samples is Omicron variant, it takes up to 72 hours, and in some cases it takes 48 hours only.
So the moment we receive the sample, we start processing it without any delay, because this is currently a national emergency. So we don't really wait for the samples to pile up or accumulate.
With several states now reporting Omicron infections, focus is on inadequate contact tracing of international travellers.
अभी तक अधिकतर केस देश में जो आए हैं या तो ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री है या ट्रैवल से कांटेक्ट की हिस्ट्री है।
The Health Ministry is advising people to avoid non-essential travel, keep clear of mass gatherings and observe extreme caution in festivities. But large gatherings this holiday season are making the task much more difficult. With Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Amit Bhardwaj in Delhi and Rickson Uman in Thiruvananthapuram, Bureau Report, India Today.